lost my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. You were supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am creating my first fall makeup look. I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I just uploaded a video on how I pack my makeup for vacation and my makeup travel case. Well, the vacation travel case, because I have another travel case. Either way, I don't want to get off topic. I did kind of like this cut crease with like browns and, you know, dark tones, anything that pretty much mimics fall in my opinion. So I am not entirely happy that fall is here because I am a summer child. Like, I really love summer and I prefer like heat over like cold. But maybe I'm just weird for that. Some of you guys were like, oh, fall is the best time of the year, blah blah. Like, I really do love it in a sense, like because of the colors and the decorations and like Halloween and all that stuff. There's something unique about it. But like, if I had to choose, like I would definitely be in like a warmer weather opposed to like colder, because me and the cold don't do well. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it and learned something from it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see next. What was your favorite part of this video? What item from this video you're going to be purchasing? I used a ton of new makeup in this video, so I hope you guys definitely like enjoy it. And if you were like in the fence of buying this, then you know, I help you out in that sense. Something I really did love that I used today was this palette, the all matte. This is called the 21 Highly Pigmented Matte Eyeshadow by KARITY. Like, this palette is freaking stunning. I can't wait to create like some more like fun colorful looks. Anyway, I really loved this palette. Also, this is still open, but also really loved the Huda Beauty powder, the translucent powder. So if you guys were in the fence on if you should buy that, if you shouldn't, then definitely go ahead and check it out and try it for yourselves. Things that I might like, you might not like. We're different people, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Hey guys, so we're going to start off with this matte palette from KARITY. This is called the 21 Colored Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I will list it down below. I am first going to go ahead and take the shade Caris and Luxuria. I have no idea. They have some weird names. But I'm taking those two shadows and I am just placing that as a base. Then the next shadow I moved on with was with Coquette. And I am just placing that on my crease and blending that out with a Morphe M513. Now I'm just adding the shade Vegas. And I'm adding that to the outer corner and working my way into my crease. And blend that out. And we're just going to keep adding these two colors mixed together until we get like the perfect kind of like, you know, tone that we're looking for. Now we're going to move on to a darker brown, which is called Unsafe in the palette, and also the black in the palette, which is called Disturbia. And I took that on a Morphe M514. Now we're just cutting the crease with a regular concealer, nothing crazy about this. And just blending the crease and the outer corner together, just so it doesn't look like a harsh line just stops there. So we're just blending those two together. And I'm working that into my crease a little bit as well to give my crease a little bit more definition. Now I'm just adding the shade Coquette to my lid. And then after this, I'm going to go ahead and add Vegas and also Cancun just to like make this color pop a little bit more, because Coquette wasn't really giving me like, you know, what I wanted. So we're adding those two shades on top to make it work. Next, I'm taking this Sephora matte eyeliner and I am just lining my top lash line just to hide the lash band. For lashes today, we're taking BADDIE the Insta Ho. And then I'm just adding a little bit of black eyeshadow to the outer corner as well. Taking the Smashbox mattifying stick. This is also kind of like a pore filling stick. So I'm applying that to my forehead and also the sides of my nose. For foundation today, I'm taking the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. And this is in the shade G60 Plus. And I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. As always, nothing new. For concealer today, we're taking Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and I am just taking that on a beauty blender and blending that out. Then I'm just going to go with the back of my beauty blender to kind of like remove any harsh lines. I learned this trick from Lily Galici from one of her videos, and it has made such a difference in my makeup routine. It just makes everything look so blended and so like seamless, and you don't have any like harsh lines. For contour, I'm taking the Maybelline foundation. This one is the matte foundation, 24-hour wear foundation. I am all over the place right now, but either way, this is in the shade 310, and this is what I've been contouring with recently. You guys already know. Well, if you didn't know and you're new to my channel, I love contouring with cream foundations. I thought for this part of the video I would talk a little bit. We have here the new Huda Beauty, pretty much, well, not new, but to me it's new. I got the shade Pound Cake because banana bread wasn't available. So let's hope and pray to God that this shit does not look too white on me, because I don't know why, but the camera's not picking up how tan I am. Like, I'm really, really tan. For some reason it's like washing me out, but either way, let's just hope this works. So it literally has like a little sifter, and that's where you grab the product from. We're gonna take the Busted Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna like dip my beauty blender in there and then apply this as normal. Oh, this has a strong fragrance, like a strong perfume fragrance, just like the foundation there. That's why kind of like I returned to, like, I don't know, I didn't really like the foundation. So let's see if I like this. I normally like to press my powder in. I don't let it sit for too long. So let's see. Wow, this looks really nice. It actually looks really nice, and it's making my face look kind of like airbrushed. For bronzer, I'm taking this bronzer by Bobbi Brown. I'll list it down below. That would happen to me when I have to go out. I try a bronzer and it looks like absolute crap. But so far so good.
Quieres conmigo, se te nota. Tú quieres pasar una noche loca.
I didn't show it here, but the highlighter I'm first using is by Bobbi Brown, and it's called Bronze Glow. It's my favorite highlighter at the moment. Well, you can see it there. It's my favorite highlighter at the moment. This brush is from Sigma. I'll list both of them down below. And then I go in with the second highlighter. This is Soulmate from the Dose of Colors and ILUVSRAHI collection. And then I'm just blending all of that out with a semi-clean beauty blender. And then I'm just adding some blush. This one is the Tarte Captivating Blush. You guys already know, one of my faves. Then I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder and then just placing that underneath my eyes. Wow, this LA Girl Shockwaves Neon Eyeliner in the shade Blackout. So good. And for lips, we had, well, I had a whole bunch of options, but I just went with this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is called Foxy Brown. I've been loving this one recently. I love their lip liners. And then I went in with the shade Pillow Talk. And this is a matte cream type of like lipstick, which I really like the formula of, and the color is beautiful. But I kind of wanted to amp it up, and I am using this color here by KOKIE Cosmetics. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, but I will list the lipstick down below in case you guys are interested. It's a beautiful shade for fall. And now I'm taking this Illuminating Glow kind of like loose powder from LA Girl, and it's actually pretty bomb. This is beautiful. Pero me estoy pasando ya, like, oh my god. Well, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.